We'd like to call to stage today in third place for the obstacle course. Third place for the obstacle course. Please welcome Rwanda, RNP Swat Team 1. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for that mistake. Now calling to the stage and prepare to come up. Please welcome to the stage in second place for day 5, China Police Team C. Please join us, China. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, then in first place, please join us on the stage for the winners of day 5, the obstacle course, Kazakhstan B. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go straight to the penultimate. We're going to go straight to the final. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, in first place, the winners of the 2026 UAE Swat Challenge, Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, C!
Lift the UAE Trophy 2026. They pushed and pushed over the years and come so close in the past. But this year, it is their turn. Challenge 2026. Alga, Kazakhstan.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Fantastic achievement. Congratulations for 2026.
Thank you very much to all of you who have stayed with us over the last 5 days. It's been great to have you and great to engage with you as well around the globe, wherever you may be. Thank you very much. That's it. This year's UAE Swat Challenge. Me, Joe Morrison. A good night. And we'll see you next year. Alga, Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan, Kazakhstan A! Thank you very much, gentlemen. Okay, Kazakhstan, the fun's over for now. Now it's time for, in third place, taking bronze. Please welcome to the stage, China, police team, C.
苏队世界第3，2026年的江苏队世界第3，我们中国西队江苏队现在。
Please go to the stage. If they are here and they want something to take home, China, police team A in 4th place, taking away $15,000. Thank you very much, China A. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And now in 5th place, can I please call to the stage Thailand, Royal Thai Police B. Taking away another check of $10,000. Thank you very much, gentlemen. And in 6th place, can we please call to the stage Rwanda, RNP SWAT Team 1. With a nice cash prize in 6th place of $9,000. Rwanda, Rwanda. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you very much, Rwanda. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope the team is here. They didn't warm down. In 7th place, please welcome to the stage